Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about Instagram application, and I'll let to show you the way how you can invite your friends or someone into Instagram group chat. First, you just need to open your Instagram and log in with your account whenever it's perfectly open. And the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay in this home section. Now you just need to take a look on this top side. There will be two options there. Just go open your direct message and open the group you have been created. And now you just need to take a look on this top side with the title of the group and just tap it. And there will be a lot of options here. So if you want to ask someone to join it, you just need to click this invitations link, and you just need to do their copy. So you will cut the copy for the link. You can also go with the send in Instagram, so you will send the link directly into the direct message of Instagram. Or if you need other options to share for other application, go click this share. So you're done. You just need to send the link into friends that you want to invite. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.